We actually came into contact with Pavel and his company through friends of ours who had actually gotten their basement done the previous summer, and we saw what a great job they did, and our friends highly recommended them. I think our main concern with hiring on-time contractors was knowing that we were going to have reliable service, they were going to get the job done in the time we needed it, as well as, you know, obviously getting the best price we could for the projects we wanted done.
On-time contractors did our hardwood floors, the countertops, the paint in the kitchen and the hallway. They did the tile in the laundry room and the bathroom, and put up a deck.
I like that they were real courteous and they were always on time.
You didn't have to call them, they were just there.
Yep. Any, you know, if there were, you know, any sort of issues that came up, Pavel was always calling us, or one of his guys was always calling us. We actually even, I mean, it was a small incident in our laundry room, and it was on a Friday night, and one of his guys came out and he was there. He drove through an hour worth of traffic just to come out and make sure that the problem was remedied right away. So they were wonderful. Overall, I think on-time contractors did a fantastic job. They finished the job way ahead of time. Pavel quoted us, you know, a great price compared to, you know, other things we had, you know, searched out. And I know we definitely have some projects in the future that we will be contacting them for. We told Pavel kind of, you know, what we were thinking about doing, and, you know, there, you know, you wish you could do everything, but he worked within our budget, and we got all the main things we wanted done completed, and yep, it was fantastic.
He gave us a bid the same day too.
Oh, and yes, that's right. He gave us a bid right there the same day, about 40 minutes later after first meeting him.
So I would definitely recommend Pavel and on-time contractors to my friends and family.